Top 10 list about the largest known stars in the universe. Their comparison to each other and to our sun. The stars have been a subject of fascination for humans since ancient times. They have guided us across the oceans, inspired poets and artists, and helped us unravel the mysteries of the universe. However, not all stars are formed equally. Some are much larger and more massive than our sun. Today, we will take a look at the top 10 most giant known stars in the universe, compare them to each other and our sun, and explore some mind-boggling facts about these cosmic giants. Our journey starts in the Milky Way galaxy, our home in the cosmos. Our sun has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers and a mass of about 2 times 10 to the 30th kilograms. It is classified as a G-type main sequence star, a yellow dwarf, and the sun is still a powerful force in the solar system, providing light, heat, and energy to all the surrounding planets. However, what if we compare our sun to the giant stars? How would it stack up? Let us find out. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos before we proceed. Click the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos. Have you already done this? Let us start. Number 10. KW Sagittarii. This red supergiant star is in the constellation Sagittarius, about 9,000 light-years away from us. It has a diameter of about 2,150 times that of our sun and a mass of about 50 solar masses. If KW Sagittarii were in the middle of our solar system, it would swallow up all the inner planets, including Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. KW Sagittarii is much larger and more massive than our sun. It is also much brighter, with a luminosity of about 270,000 times that of our sun. However, despite its size and power, KW Sagittarii is also a dying star. It is expected to explode in a supernova in the next few thousand years, leaving behind a neutron star or a black hole. Number 9. WOHG64. This red supergiant star is located about 168,000 light-years away from us in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way. It has a diameter of about 2,500 times that of our sun and a mass of about 25 solar masses. WOHG64 is one of the largest and brightest stars in the local group of galaxies, which includes the Milky Way, Andromeda, and several other smaller galaxies. WOHG64 is even larger and more massive than KW Sagittarii. It is also much hotter, with a surface temperature of about 4,000 Kelvin compared to our sun's 5,500 Kelvin. WOHG64, despite its size and power, is a short-lived star. It will explode into a supernova in the next few million years, leaving behind a neutron. VV Cephei A. This pair of stars is about 4,900 light-years away from us in the constellation Cepheus. It consists of 2 stars, VV Cephei A and VV Cephei B, with VV Cephei A being the larger and more massive. It has a diameter of about 1,900 times that of our sun and a mass of about 40 solar masses. VV Cephei A is also a variable star, meaning its brightness fluctuates over time. VV Cephei A is a much larger and more massive than our sun, but it is not as bright as KW Sagittarii or WOHG64. It has a luminosity of about 275,000 times that of our sun, but it is still less than the other 2 stars on our list. VV Cephei A is also a relatively young star, but not as much as KW Sagittarii's 270,000 times. NML Cygni is also a dying star, and in the next few thousand years, it is expected to explode in a supernova. Number 5. KY Cygni. This red hypergiant star is located about 5,000 light-years away from us, in the constellation Cygnus. It has a diameter of about 1,700 times that of our sun and a mass of about 30 solar masses. KY Cygni is also one of the brightest stars in the sky, with a luminosity of about 300,000 times that of our sun. KY Cygni is similar in size and mass to KW Sagittarii and NML Cygni, but it is brighter than both. It is also one of the largest and most luminous stars. KY Cygni is also a variable star, with its brightness fluctuating over time. Number 4. HR 5171A. This star is also known as V766 Centauri. This red supergiant star is in the constellation Centaurus, which is about 12,000 light-years away from us. It has a diameter of about 1,300 times that of our sun and a mass of about 50 solar masses. HR 5171A is also a binary star system with a companion star around it. HR 5171a is not as large as some of the other stars on our list, but it is still much larger and more massive than our Sun. It has a luminosity of about 1,300,000 times that of our Sun, which is the highest on our list. HR 5171a is also a variable star with its brightness fluctuating over time. This red hypergiant star is located about 163,000 light-years away from us in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of our Milky Way. It has a diameter of about 2,000 times that of our Sun and a mass of about 25 solar masses. WOHG 64 is also one of the brightest and most luminous stars with a luminosity of about 2.5 million times that of our Sun. WOHG 64 is a giant star on our list and one of the most luminous. It is about 2,000 times larger than our Sun, and its luminosity is approximately 2.5 million times that of our Sun. WOHG 64 is also a variable star with its brightness fluctuating over time. Number 2. R136A1. This blue hypergiant star is in the Tarantula Nebula, a star-forming region in the Large Magellanic Cloud. It has a diameter of about 35 million kilometers, nearly 4 times that of our Sun, and a mass of about 315 solar masses. R136A1 is also one of the hottest stars, with a surface temperature of about 50,000 Kelvin. R136A1 is not as large as some of the other stars on our list, but is still much more massive than any other star we have mentioned. Its luminosity is also incredibly high, about 10 million times that of our Sun. R136A1 is also a young star, with an estimated age of only a few million years. Number 1. UIS Scooty. German astronomers at the Bonn Observatory were the first to discover UIS Scooty in 1860. Still, due to the state of technology at the time, they could not fully appreciate what they had found, the giant star in the Milky Way galaxy, at least temporarily. Observations made in 2012 with the Very Large Telescope in Chile's Atacama Desert later revealed UIS Scooty's actual size. This finding was exceedingly significant, and UIS Scooty was known as the giant star in the Milky Way for a while. Several massive stars, including Betelgeuse, VYS Canis Major, and NML Cygni, had previously held the title for the giant star, but it broke it. The red hypergiant star is located in the constellation Scutum, about 9,500 light-years away from us. It has a diameter of about 1.7 billion kilometers, about 2,375 times that of our Sun, and a mass of about 30 solar masses. UIS Scooty is also one of the brightest and most luminous stars, with a luminosity of about 340,000 times that of our Sun. UIS Scooty is genuinely a behemoth among stars. Its size dwarfs all other stars on our list, including the previous record holder, NML Cygni. UIS Scooty's luminosity is also impressive but lower than other stars on our list. Nevertheless, its sheer size is what makes it so remarkable. Today's video has come to an end. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to view more content. Remember to click the bell symbol to receive notifications when new videos are posted. I will leave you with this and hope to see you in the next video.